Hi, I am Maria from theteacherschool.com, and I wanted to talk to you today about why timed math fact tests sort of miss the point of what they're trying to accomplish. Now, I am a K-12 educational therapist, and I provide intensive educational intervention to students who really struggle with math. And one common challenge my students have is a difficulty with rote memorization, which can often pop up in third and fourth grade with timed multiplication tests. And another challenge that my students can tend to have is then an anxiety and a frustration that comes with being timed during tests. And this actually ends up turning into a frustration overall with math for both groups of students, even though the ability to perform in time situations and the ability to memorize aren't indicators of math ability. They're separate things. I remember when I was just starting out, a new classroom teacher, and a mentor teacher advised me that I give timed multiplication fact tests to my fourth graders. The idea was to limit the time so students needed to memorize their facts rather than relying on strategies like skip counting. The thinking was that students would recall their facts faster just by having them practice this way over and over again. But that strategy only really worked for some of my students. And there was often a core group that never really advanced much farther than their threes facts. Now that I think about it, I didn't really give my students any instruction about how to get their facts. I just expected them to just get them memorized, get them down. Now that we know that time tests are actually the cause of a lot of math anxiety and frustration for students, and that other students really have very strong difficulties memorizing things, the emphasis in speed and rote memorization has meant that my students missed out on how all of the facts are interconnected and can be used strategically. I know now through over 12 years experience that there are much more effective research-based methods that build fact fluency better than the drill and kill of time tests and rote memorization. This includes engaging number talks and fun games. If you would like to learn a few of my favorites, you can download the 5 mini lesson plans using the link below, and make sure to check out other videos in this series. Thanks, and have a good one.